Welcome. Today we're going to guide you through the process of deep frying a Thanksgiving turkey, step by step. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the equipment you'll need. You'll need a turkey fryer with a large pot and a stand, a propane burner with a propane tank, a long meat thermometer or oil thermometer, heat-resistant gloves, a turkey fryer hook or basket, a fire extinguisher that's Class B or ABC rated, and optionally a heavy-duty apron. Now let's go over the ingredients. You'll need a 12 to 15 pound turkey, but do not exceed 15 pounds for safety. You'll also need about 3 to 4 gallons of peanut oil, or another high smoke point oil. And if you like, you can use a marinade or dry rub as well as salt and pepper. Thaw and prepare the turkey. Make sure the turkey is fully thawed, which means about 24 hours of thawing per 5 pounds in the fridge. Remove the giblets and neck from the cavity. And, very importantly, pat the turkey completely dry inside and out with paper towels to prevent oil splatters. Apply your desired marinade, rub, or simple salt and pepper. Let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before frying. Place the turkey in the empty fryer pot. Add water until the turkey is fully submerged with about 1 to 2 inches of water above it. Remove the turkey and mark the water line. This indicates how much oil you'll need. Dry the pot thoroughly. Place the fryer on a flat, non-flammable surface at least 10 feet from any structures. Never deep fry indoors or in a garage. Add oil to the marked line in the fryer pot. Preheat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit using the propane burner. And don't forget to monitor the temperature with a thermometer. Secure the turkey on the fryer hook or place it in the fryer basket. Double check that the turkey is dry to avoid dangerous splattering. Turn off the burner briefly to prevent flare-ups if oil splashes. Slowly and carefully lower the turkey into the oil. Do this in small increments to reduce splatter. Relight the burner after the turkey is fully submerged. Fry the turkey for about 3 to 4 minutes per pound. For example, a 12-pound turkey will take 36 to 48 minutes. Maintain the oil temperature at 350 degrees Fahrenheit throughout. Use a meat thermometer to check the turkey's internal temperature. The breast should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and the thigh should be at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the turkey from the oil once done. Place the turkey on a rack or tray lined with paper towels. Allow it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes before carving. Never leave the fryer unattended. Keep children and pets away from the frying area. Use long-handled tools to avoid burns. Do not overfill the pot with oil. Always follow your water test measurement.